In this video, I'll explain how I made the AR Critic Award 3D object with the embedded award logo and brought it to life in augmented reality. Let's start with the end result. I use a transparent PNG file of the award image. I've converted the PNG to 3D using seva3d.com service. Their website offers different 3D objects. I've selected the trophy one. I've paid for the 3D model and I received it as an SLT file. The 3D of the default logo was converted and downloaded for free. I then imported the SLT file into vectory.com. This is an online 3D modeling tool. I applied some changes to the color to make it appear golden and added a metallic reflection. After I was satisfied with the results, I used the same tool to export the 3D model as a USDZ file. A few seconds later, I received an email with a link to a page where I can preview and download the USDZ file. I've uploaded the USDZ file to a CDN endpoint and embedded the link to the USDZ file in one of the reviews on my blog. I also made sure that the content type header is set to model/USD. That's it. Now everyone with an ARKit-enabled device running iOS 12 that clicks on that link will get to see that trophy in augmented reality. If you don't have an ARKit compatible device, you can still see it in regular object view, as long as you have iOS 12 installed. Thank you for watching, and I see you on the next video.